Hello and welcome to class. In today's class, we'll be looking at commercial arithmetic. Now consider the question. An estate agent gets a commission of 5% for selling a house. How much does he get on a house worth 3 million naira? Now the first step in solving this question is to look for 5% of 3 million naira. Now 5% of 3 million naira equal to 5 over 100 times 3 million. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. I have 5 divided by 1 times 30,000, which gives me 150,000. Therefore, the commission he would get for selling a house worth 3 million naira is 150,000 naira. So the answer is B. Now consider the second question. Mr. Gambo's salary per annum is 720,000 naira. If he pays 2% monthly as income tax, how much does he take home at the end of the month? Now to solve this question, let's write out Mr. Gambo's salary per annum. So his salary per annum is 720,000 naira. This means that his salary per month is going to be 720,000 divided by 12, since there are 12 months in a year. Now 720 divided by 12 gives 60,000. This means that his salary per month is 60,000. Now to get his income tax, then we need to take 2% of 60,000, since his income tax is 2% monthly. So 2% of 60,000, this means 2 over 100 multiplied by 60,000. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. I have 2 times 600, and that gives me 1,200 naira. This means that his income tax per month is 1,200 naira. Now to get his take home for that month is going to be his salary for the month minus the income tax. Now the salary for each month is 60,000 minus the income tax is 1,200. Therefore, 60,000 minus 1,200 gives 58,800 naira. Therefore, his monthly take home is 58,800 naira. The answer is C. Now let's consider another question. Find the simple interest on 20,000 naira for 3 years at 5% per annum. Now simple interest is calculated as the principal times the rate times the time, which is the duration, divided by 100. Now from the question, the simple interest is unknown. The principal is 20,000 naira. The rate is 5%. And the time is 3 years. Therefore, simple interest is equal to 20,000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. Now 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. I have 200 times 5 times 3. Therefore, the simple interest is 3,000 naira. That means he's going to get an interest of 3,000 naira at a rate of 5% if he saves 20,000 naira for 3 years. Therefore, the answer is A. Let's consider another question. An article was bought at 2,500 naira and sold at 3,000. Calculate the percentage profit. Now, to calculate the percentage profit, it is important we know what the profit is. Now, what is the profit? The profit is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. Now, what is the selling price? He sold it at 3,000 naira. The cost price, he bought it at 2,500 naira. Therefore, the profit in this case is 500 naira. Now, what percentage of 2,500 is 500 naira? Therefore, I have 500, which is the cost now, is equal to x divided by 100 multiplied by 2,500. Now solving for x, I have 500 is equal to 2,500x divided by 100 divided by 1. Now to get the value of x, I'm going to cross multiply. So I have 2,500x is equal to 500 times 100. And this gives me x is equal to 50000 divided by 2,500. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. 500 divided by 25 is 20. Therefore, the answer is 20%. So I want you to try out this question. Find the simple interest on 50,000 naira for 5 years at 2.5% per annum and write your answer in the comment section.